Hi, welcome back once again to SCT models. Now we are going to discuss about sounds. The sounds, in English, actually the letters are 26, whereas the sounds are divided into 44 sounds. Yeah, among that, what is the use of the sounds means to pronounce exactly how the word is. These are very important. We know that. Yes. Now, these are the consonants as well as vowel sounds. In the consonants, you have the 24 sounds. It's very easy only. Just we are going to verify this. The first here, the letter P shows the sound of the pa. Pa. So, pen, pat, paper. Like this, the pa sound is coming. B, bell. Like this here, sir. Bat, bun, ba sound. T, ta sound. Tell, take, turn. Like this. D, da sound. Dance, delta, do, did. Like that it is coming. Next, K, ka sound. Key, cut, cat. These are ka sounds only. Of course, CAT, cat, but the sound is ka sound. G, gas, ga sound. Sometimes ja sound also coming. For example, generosity, ja sound also sometimes it is coming. M, ma sound, man, make, mold. N, na sound, new, nut, neither, nar, na sounds. This is the symbol of the ing, ing, ing. So that's why here this is a sing, symbol of the ing, like this. Next, we are going to verify some more symbols here. Sounds F, fa. This fa is pa sounds are two. First we verified pen, pen. That is that pa is coming with combining two lips. Pen, combining two lips. But here this fa, the sound is coming upper teeth is coming on the lower lip. Upper teeth is coming on the lower lip, whereas sound is releasing fa, fa, like that. Flood. V. V also va. Va also two types. One is coming with W, other is coming with V. This V is coming same like the fa only. Upper teeth is coming with lower lip. Vyan, vyan. Vibration is coming here. Now this is tha sound, third. This is the symbol they, that, this, like that. Yes, sa sound, stool, set, soar, sing, sa sound. This is a Jew. This jai is touching the alveolar plate, that is middle of the upper part of the mouth, inside middle, Jew. This is sha, shine, shut, shaw, like this. Next, garage, garage. This is this ja sound is releasing the sound. Ha symbol, hill, hut, him, ha symbol. This is a cha, cha, charge, chalk, chalk, change. This is a ja, ja sound, judge, jet, jungle, like this. L la sound, light, let, link, la sound, or right, right, wrong, ready, read. This is the symbol of the ya. Of course, for you it is appearing like the J, but it is used the symbol for ya sound. Yes, young, university. Yeah, symbol with you only coming. Next, wa. I said na this is second wa. This is coming with round lips. W sounds. Weak round lips only say what, where, when. So here WHAT what coming with the round lips. VAT Vyat coming with the vibration with lower lip. That is different. Now come to the vowel sounds. So vowel sounds are also coming. These are almost 20 sounds are there. Vowels and diphthongs all mixing. So in this here, this is the just symbol of the E. Green, clean, eat, like that. Symbol of E. Mill, will, grill, E sound. This is A sound. Men, set, wet, A sound. A sound only, just like yeah, it is coming. Lips are going back. Lips are going back. A sound only coming like yeah. Fat, mat, cat, rat, like this. This is R sound. Bird, curd, surd, bird, curd, curd, surd, surd. Oh, this is weak sound where it is not pronouncing and stress falling on the second word. Loan, A-R-I-S-E, rise, A-M-O-N-G, among, like this. Alone, among, rise, like this. This is a cut sound. Shut, shut, N-U-T, nut, C-U-T, cut. This is O symbol. That is also a long one. This is small one. Pull, pull. But this is pull. This is a pull. This is a symbol only coming with mouth opening. Force, force. Long sound only. Mouth opening long it is coming. This is a symbol coming with vocals. Follow, follow. This is a symbol long long cast, arm, CALM, calm. Like that, the sounds are coming here. Next, diphthongs. Diphthongs made with two vowel sounds. For example, ER, ear, fear, fear, NEAR, near, fair, fair. Next, OR, sure, AI, EI, A, table, table, T sound are there, table, MAKE, 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 SAKE, sake, TAKE, take, make, take, CAKE, 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 like that A sound is. This is A, E, I, five, five, knife, knife, knives, sky, like that coming. This is I, oil, coil, coil, spoil, oil, coil, spoil, oil. This is O sound, A plus O sound. Go, no, so, like this. Next, this is A-R-O. This is how. The sound is coming. This how. Like this sounds we are finding here. So, these are more important for your SCT preparation. Sometimes bits asking, two bits compulsory. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section. Thank you. All the best.